skin off the legs. Make sure there was no feathers sticking out of them. Cleaned it nicely. Washed it in real fresh lime juice and vinegar.
From the
Limes
lime
that I cut. Yeah,
Yeah.
juice from a real lime.
And vinegar.
And vinegar.
And cold water.
In cold water, of course. It has to be cold water. And then you rinse it properly and pat dry it. We're gonna make gungo peas, rice and peas. But I had no time to get dry gungo, and I couldn't find the frozen gungo peas, which is pigeon peas, in the freezer section. So I'm actually gonna use canned gungo peas, green gungo, which is already cooked, but I'm gonna cook this in coconut milk and I'm gonna season the pot right. So I've already rinsed the canned juice, drained it and rinsed it, and now I'm gonna start the process of cooking it. And as I start seasoning the water, I'll show you what I'm gonna put in. Okay, so after the chicken pieces has been pat dried, and as you can see, I have scored, okay, the legs and the breast. So when I season this with my trusty dried seasoning, which is paprika, ground onion, ground garlic powder, thyme, black pepper, and I used 1 packet of Maggi all-purpose and also 1 packet of Maggi chicken powdered seasoning, and it's just all combined. And I'm not putting any extra salt on this. I also have half a tablespoon of black pepper mixed in here, and I'm gonna generously sprinkle all the seasoning, as you can see, over. Okay, and I'm going to rub this in. I am getting ready to season the gungo peas, which was canned gungo peas. All right, so I'm dropping a whole habanero pepper in here, and I'm also gonna put in here my seasoning of thyme, black pepper, powdered garlic, powdered onion, powdered Goya adobo, and some paprika. All right, and also here I have a teaspoon of salt. I'm also dropping in 1 stalk of chopped green onions, and I'm going to add to the pot. This is only going to be a half a cup of coconut milk. Coconut milk. This is 1 cup I'm adding in here. Gungo peas, rice and peas have to be seasoned well for it to taste good. And I'm going to probably cook this for an hour. I'm not worried about the gungo peas getting too mushy. It won't. So 1 hour I'm gonna give this. Okay, so I'm gonna be making a green salad, but I'm also gonna be adding some broccoli. I have washed and chopped broccoli that's going in this boiling pot of water, literally for about 30 seconds. I'm going to make some fried chicken. Most of it is going to be boneless chicken breast because my family likes chicken breast. And I'm gonna do a few legs to make the gravy for this complete dinner. Chicken is already seasoned, and so I'm gonna start with the legs. The oil is pretty hot, and I'm not going to fill this pot to the rim. So here we go. We're gonna start with 3 legs, and then the breasts are gonna be left to last. We're gonna make a big salad, and it's really gonna be a green salad, and it's gonna be easy because, as you can see, I have cleaned and chopped tomatoes. I think these are like not plum tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and I just sliced them in 2. I'm going to add a bag of shredded lettuce. I'm going to add the blanched broccoli. 30 seconds. It's going to be a hearty salad. I'm going to add half a bag of red cabbage. And I'm also going to add 1 cucumber that was chopped roughly. And just another half a bag of another salad that has carrots in it just because I can. And I'm just gonna toss this. This is just gonna be tossed. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna add corn to this. Okay, this is just a can of corn. This is gonna be a hearty salad to go with our rice and peas, and actually it's gungo rice and peas, my chicken, and Sunday dinner will be on and popping. I may make some fried plantains, we'll see. I'm getting ready to add the rice to the seasoned gungo peas, and I'm using yellow rice as a twist, which has some seasoning already in it. And I'm using 3 packs of yellow rice for this. Now, I'm gonna leave the pot uncovered for a little while so that some of the water can, or the liquid can evaporate, because we don't want mushy rice. All right, so 3 packs, and this should be good. In another 10 minutes, I'm going to cover the pot, the lid, put a lid on rather, and turn the stove down to medium to low heat so that my rice won't burn. So I'm gonna start making the gravy, and I'm going to use some of the oil from frying the chicken without getting too many of the burnt pieces, even though some people call that the crackling. And to that, I'm just going to add, and this oil is already hot, I'm going to add some carrots, scallions, tomatoes, and purple onions. And I'm gonna saute all this goodness. And once the onions become translucent, I'm gonna add some chicken legs in this. That's gonna help make this sauce nice and delicious. And I'll have those chicken leg pieces, kind of like a fricassee chicken, or the beginnings of a brown stew chicken flavor for the gravy. So this is the sauce that I made that will accompany the breast that I made, but also for myself that don't mind eating the chicken legs, I simmered my chicken legs in this sauce that I made, and I added sweet peppers to this and a little bit of ketchup, and I actually added a small pack of chicken Maggi seasoning in here just to give this some more flavor. And this is pretty much ready to go. This is ready to go. I will be turning the stove off, and in about 5 minutes I will plate. So this is the finished product of a quick Sunday dinner. I did some fried chicken breast, and this is my gungo peas, rice and peas made with yellow rice instead of your traditional white rice. And this is a beautiful green salad packed with deliciousness: broccoli, corn, carrots, purple cabbage, and lettuce, and a side of beautiful ripe fried plantains. I know this is going to be delicious. Hope you will come and see this video again as we're back in action.